Alright, so this is SmartFaktura, and it's an invoicing app, and I'm just gonna walk you through the whole process of setting up SmartFaktura and all the features we have available in SmartFaktura. So as a new user, what you'll do is you'll be signing up, enter your email, your name, your company information, your password, and make sure it follows the conventions here mentioned. Once your account has been created, you need to verify and just make sure you have the correct credentials and your email is actually accurate. Then you will basically log in with all your credentials, and after logging in, you should be able to see your app. Now within this app, we have a bunch of features. You can add in your customers, right? I can go ahead and add in a new customer. It could be John, and it could be any user, like whatever the customer's email is. He is from Norway. His address could be Norway, right? Or whatever city he's from. Once the customer has been created, you can go ahead and create an invoice for the customer and set a due date on when you want the invoice to be paid, or what's the end time to it, the creation date, when you are going to be creating it, right? You can move it to 19 as well, or 20 as well. Maybe that might be the date you are going to be sending out the invoice. The currency you want to bill the user in, the VAT rate, the description of all the items, right? Then you're going to add quantity and the pricing for all those items, and then you're going to be creating the invoice. Now once the invoice has been created, you can view the invoice by clicking download PDF and view all of the invoice here directly. And now to send the invoice, simply click send, or if you want to make changes to invoice before sending it, you can go and click edit. By editing, you can add more items here or remove the previous one and basically edit before sending it out. Once you click send, you will not be able to edit the invoice, but you are going to be able to cancel the invoice, right? And once the user has paid for the invoice, you can mark this as paid, and it will basically update here, plus all the activity will update. You can also see the customers directly from the invoice here, and on the customer page you can also see the invoice which was created for this user. On the activity page, you can monitor the whole activity of your organization, and on the dashboard page you can see all the recent invoices and the recent activity, plus all the other KPIs which you might need. Now SmartFaktura also supports multiple organizations and multiple businesses, right? So you can click on here, create new organization, and enter in all of the details about the new organization, right? So I'll go with strawberry.co. It could be a organization which sells strawberries. They might have a email. This could be strawberry@smartfaktura.tech, or it could be whatever. The currency they might want to go for is krona or USD, or whatever you want to go for the currency. Then you have a address of this organization. I'm going to just say like Chicago, and then an organization. It could be a number. Then you have a phone, whatever phone you want to go for here. Then you have the bank account, whatever bank account suits your thing, and a kid if you want to go for a kid. If your organization is VAT registered, you can toggle this on and off as well. Once you create the organization, you should be able to see a full new dashboard with no invoices and no customers in this organization. If you want to make changes to the organization settings, you can simply go into the settings and make changes to whatever you want. And to go back to the other organization, simply click on the organization toggle, and all of the old stuff for the other organization should be visible to you here. Okay, so this is SmartFaktura, and you also have light mode available. So if you want to see everything in light mode, invoices, customers, activity, whatever you want to go for, you can go ahead and do it. So yeah, this is the app.